Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I was gonna say welcome back to my channel, but I feel like I should be welcoming my own self back to my channel just because it has literally been about like 2 months or so since I've uploaded a video. In my defense, it's been a very crazy 2 months. We've been in the process of traveling a whole bunch. We've been moving, and my husband is now unfortunately overseas for a year. And in the midst of it, of course, I'm still pregnant. I'm 31 weeks pregnant this week. So it has been a hectic couple months, I'll say that much. But luckily we are settled into our new house now. It's just been an adjustment getting used to the new routine of things. So yes, I definitely have missed making videos. And I do plan on making a ton of videos now that I am settled in. For starters, welcoming us back to the channel, I'm going to be doing a little collective haul. Like I said, I am 31 weeks pregnant this week. It has been an adjustment getting used to the new belly. I am all about comfort. I'm all about keeping it simple. Really? Tell me how you feel. That was my dog. He's laying down right here, staring directly at me. Anyways, with my maternity fashion, I am all about keeping it simple and keeping it comfortable. But it's not going to be like your normal maternity fashion video where you see everyone looking to a T, you know, really fashionable. Not so much going to be this video. Sorry if that's what you were looking for, but I know there is a lot of you moms out there who are all about the same thing, keeping it simple and keeping it functional and easy and quick. So yes, if you are interested in the haul, just go ahead and keep on watching. So for starters, in the town I live in, we don't have a Target nearby, and pretty much the closest thing I can get to Target is a Walmart. You know, not that there's anything against Walmart. I love Walmart probably just as much as I love Target just because of their prices. But surprisingly, I love their maternity tank tops. They're literally like the softest thing I have ever felt. I would honestly say that they almost feel kind of like Lulu leggings in a way. Now they don't have a ton of colors, unfortunately. They may have more online. I haven't looked, to be honest. Originally I had gone in because I was looking for something to wear for Easter, and I probably will go back and get a lot of these like basic color tank tops because they are so comfortable and just so cheap. I'm pretty sure they're only like $4 or $5. Well, I only got 2 of them. So the first one is this really pretty kind of, sorry, it's folded, light pink color. It is really cute. I did end up wearing this on Easter with one other item that I'll show you that I also got at Walmart. So they're really nice. They do have that like ruching on the side there that's like supposed to help accommodate the belly. It's not my favorite thing in maternity clothing. However, you get it in literally every maternity shirt. But yes, so I just got it in that really pretty light pink color. And then I also did get one that was just this black and white stripe. Again, this is just like one of those basic tops that like everyone should have. It's super cute with like a green jacket or even just like a denim shirt. You know, it's kind of just an essential. And then I feel like stripes always look super cute on pregnant women too as well. I did get both of these in a size small because I have found that with maternity clothes, I do tend to size down. Usually I'd be like a medium or so. But because they do stretch so much, I found it just works better for me to get a small just to accommodate for that extra stretching. With this pink tank top, I did find these cute little kind of like kimono style cardigans over kind of where you find like the purses and like the hats and stuff like that in Walmart. Again, this is what I wore on Easter, but it's just this really pretty teal and pink kind of floral pattern kimono, and it is super lightweight, which was nice. And then on the back, it has this really pretty lace detailing where you can kind of see the pink through the back of the shirt, which this one was super cute, and I'm pretty sure this one was about, I want to say $15 or so. You know, it's pretty good quality. It does have cute little tassels at the bottom of the kimono, so this will definitely be nice going into summer just because in Tennessee it does get hot and it does get humid. So anything lightweight like this is awesome to have in your wardrobe. And then I also did get one other kimono because I was, like I said, trying to decide what I was going to wear for Easter. But I did end up finding this other super cute floral with the pretty like olive green on it and a nice pretty bell sleeve as well. And then of course tassels at the bottom. But this one again was the same price, that $15. I had picked this one out because I was planning on wearing it with a dress. However, did not end up wearing that just because I felt like the dress I picked out kind of just made me look like a giant tent instead of cute like I was hoping. So I'll just show you the dress, which I will still wear this, you know, probably just for like hanging out at the house or, you know, just like running quick errands to like the grocery store or something, because it is really comfy. I think my problem was that I got it too large. I did for some reason get this in a size large. I literally don't know what I was thinking. It is way too big. This dress is super comfy though. It's just one of those nice little, you know, jersey style dresses with a little tank top. It is short, however, it was way too long on me. And the greatest thing about this dress, y'all, is that it has pockets. But yes, I think if I would have gotten this in a medium, it would have been fine. I think in my mind I was trying to accommodate for my bump. I did not need to do that. My plan was to wear the dress with the kimono, but again, that didn't work out, so we just moved on to option B, which was the pink shirt and the teal kimono. The last thing that I got at Walmart is kind of boring. It's not really anything, you know, too exciting, but Walmart, again, with their great prices, came in handy. They did have these cute little camis for literally like $1.90, so super cheap, super affordable. So I literally just bought these in like every single color that they had, minus like the obnoxious colors. So yes, if you are in need of camis, go to Walmart and get you some of these because they're literally like $2 after tax. Okay, so the next store that we're going to be going over is Motherhood Maternity. I got a lot of just kind of like basic stuff. I really needed shorts just because it's starting to get warm here in Tennessee. I just can't deal with the heat, and I love wearing shorts. I wear shorts literally every day in the summertime, so shorts were a necessity for me. So the first pair is just this little dark denim pair. They are just basic shorts. They have a seam at the bottom, which is kind of nice. The one thing I will say about these shorts that I have noticed is this little thing right here can be a little bit uncomfortable. So what I ended up doing was when I wore these shorts, I just tucked in my undershirt, and then it kind of helped to avoid that from rubbing against my skin. These do stretch. Again, all maternity clothes stretch. They're meant to be comfortable. They're meant to give. So I got these in a medium just because I'm normally like a size 6 or so in jeans, but the more I wear them, the more they stretch out, and the more I'm kind of wondering if maybe I should have got them in a small. At the time when I tried on the small, they were just a little bit uncomfortable on my like thighs and stuff like that, so I was kind of going for something that would be a little bit more stretchy. For now, they're a little loose, but I guess loose shorts are comfortable too. I did get one other pair, and these ones are super cute and really comfy as well. These ones have a folded cuff at the bottom, and they are a lighter wash, which is really nice. I do really like when things come up above the belly. I couldn't really find any shorts that I really liked at Motherhood Maternity that had that, but these are both by the brand Indigo Blue. I want to say they were about like 29 bucks each. The last little pair of shorts that I got, my husband absolutely loved these. It was like his favorite outfit when he saw me try them on. His like face lit up, but they are just the shorterall. I've seen so many cute like maternity outfits with the shorteralls, and I feel like you just like can't go wrong with it. So they are just this dark wash denim, and they have the elastic on the sides there to accommodate for the bump, and then they have a folded cuff at the bottom, and then just some distressing on them as well. So these are going to be so cute in the summertime. They're super stretchy and super comfy, which is awesome. And then my last couple items that I got from Motherhood Maternity is actually this shirt that I'm wearing right now, and then I did pick up another tank top, and it's just this really pretty yellow with some like floral pattern on it. The last shirt I got is just this gray floral. This is kind of just one of those shirts that I got just for kind of like quick wears, kind of sort of like quick outfits, but it is cute. It has a pretty light pink flower details on it, and it is just a little v-neck, comfy, easy to just put on with some like leggings and call it good. Okay, so then my last store that I went to was TJ Maxx, of course. You'll find a theme that I'm starting to like love kimonos, especially pregnant, because you can wear a cute little tank top and just show off your bump and then wear the kimono, and they're lightweight and they're easy, and it's easy to look dressed up without actually trying. I actually ended up getting this one on sale. It was only $8. It's a medium, super cute light blush color with a pretty floral print on it. It almost has like hints of yellow as well, which is really nice. So this will be really cute in the summertime. And then the last thing I got at TJ Maxx, this is not maternity, but I figured I'd show it anyway. So I did pick up this Ralph Lauren purse at TJ Maxx. It was on sale. I got it for, I want to say it was like 50 bucks or so. It is super cute, just this really pretty cognac color bag, and it's got the really pretty chain details on it with an adjustable strap as well. I love a crossbody bag. They're honestly like the only kind of bag that I buy just because it's easy. And then it does of course have this really pretty clasp detailing here. The inside is just one big pocket with a couple little zippers inside as well. And I thought this orange detailing was really pretty as well inside the bag. It's small, which is also awesome because that way I don't collect a bunch of junk inside my purse, even though it still happens. So that is going to be the end of today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing all of you guys in my next videos.